ping pong. Back for the second set. White ball from Steve Ryan passing it to the look to the Rivania's back. Still going to be looked back. Nice shot again. What a nice finish of the time. Pass to the Rivania to track the uniform. Sinubula mo po ang mensahe dito sa Hilot. Hilot now pursue. It's an away. Two serving one. Wokulam serving. Passing to left, pass back to the deep one and to back again to Wokulam and to now back again, spike, wow, nice no check. Three serving one. Like that. And so happy. Wokulam jumps or back to the deep one, deep ball. Back to number two again to Berlego. Back again to Wokulam. Wokulam to pin again to the black. Jump shot back into number two again to Hilot. Back number two, back to number three. Back to Wokulam. Back. Di ba ni Balani to Hilot. Hilot to the back number two. Back still to the Pinta. Pinta to the Wokulam. Milliard. Number back still. Good back number two again. Now we're going to the Pinta again to Wokulam. Wokulam. Pinta still. Bang. Very nice play by Team Guapo. For serving one. Wokulam serving. Wokulam to D4. D4 long number two. Bang! But still was back to Wokulam and to Mr. Eli Gomi. Back to Leonard to the level. Bang! Number two. Wow! D4 still was back to D4 and to Ibanias to number two. Bang! Team Ryan Spicer. Lipat, napaka-high na high. Team Ryan to Ibanias to him. Ibanias jumps back to the trophy to hot, back again, still good. Good number two, back and like into the round. We're actually going to go. Wokulam back like that. He's still the back of the Ibanias. Ibanias into the Wokulam into the trophy. Back to that, bang, still good, still good, back to the five serving two. Pass the ball to the touch number two. Now we're going to the D4 again to number two. Wokulam back to black, back into Balani. Balani, it's a miscommunication. Away, trying to team level. Vijay, call. Seven serving three. What over fast into the line, Guys, four serving seven. Full letter serve. It's an away point between 5 and 1. This game is brought to you by Can Twilight Masarap pag walang kaagaw. It's serving four. What the serve to this position Helotto. This for passing the trophy. Will pull out bang! Squeaky by team White Ball. Okay, natay premyo nga 20 pesos sa pupunit sa bulang maligid. Nine serving four. Back one of the line reserve. In luck and luck. Tap serving for White Ball serve pass number 2. So he lost number 2. Pass is still going back against the Solano to Balani. One nice retaliation by Team Tagbilar. 11 serving for passing the crossing the line, pointing the Tagbilar. Trying to get the team wide. 5-12. Pass the Dorman's hands up. Ricky by Diva. Williams and over pointing at the team Ryan. Pass to Lagi Bukura yang bisa bang ke bahong fight by number 3 the flying Lemurs volleyball. Wow, serving 6. 13 12. Skor ba? 13 ya pala? Four teams serving 6. Palagi ng lot niya sa ito. Still good. Still the red bola. Wow, red bola. Seven serving 14. Back to Chico again. He's around back again. Look, he's going to roll out to find the team time. Forward again, I think it's one ball. Serving 14, 7. 7 back with an nice win, number 2. It is called Bravo to Guatemala. return to the black, still good. Good again, the black, back to pink black, still good, back to this ball. This ball, serve back, fight, block away. Nang lipat ng bola. Nine, 7-15. Hilot ke belakang. Quick di belok ke belakang. Bang, still good. Still good ke belakang. Hilot again number 2. Black away. Forehand again to team. Ryan Bang, bang. 10 serving 15. 5-point lead of team Waterfall. Pass dulu yang bisa bola yang break into pizza. Waterfall again. Serving 10. Pass again, so wow, still good. Look, it's a no good. That's you can have one. Pulang serve. Fast to the Balani and number 2. Fast to target again. So pulang to the left, drop it for the left and pass. Wow, what a nice net ball by number 2. Pass from the end to the bottom to the Mr. Pulang. Back to Pizza Lisa, not under the net. Number 10 passing to number 6 to the left and the back. Whoop, away a block. Falls right there. Johnson, ball out. Serving 18. Number 2 pass to number 8. Back again because the second back again. Still the baby still balancing lot to number 15. One naman. It's a need ball. Long to serve, passing number 3 again, to serve again. Layup for pass, but that is still good. No good. Point in the team squad ball. Serving 14. Pass number 3, lot against the Toledo. Wow, and a start to the Toledo. 15-19, 4-point lead of team to Waterfall. Pass along, what a bang! What a nice quick foul by team to Waterfall. Service football 2015. The lost number 2 backline shot. Big knock shot. Point the end of the right hand. 16 serving 20. number 2 against the club. Wow, what a nice job by the club. 21-16. Substitution, beat tapping. Service out. Back against Toledo against Mr. Buddy Gibani to black. Back to the Dunkin Donut by Mr. Peacock. Man, what the fuck was that? Serving 13. Good day. 23. 16. 23 serving 16. Squad ball serve. Jump shot. Not shot of the number 2 to Mr. Hilot. Hilot to Ibanez. Drop shot. Wow, nice play. 17-23. Serving 23. Pass to these way into Kabalani. Back again. Wow, here's a hip shot touching the net. Here's serving that. Falling against Steve Ryan. These will serve back to the room. Pull up back to Wixow and Sabita. Set point 18. Steve for number 2 hits it away.